Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's January 1st today. I'm gonna throw this video out ahead of some of the old stuff that I have. It is a nice, cool, crisp morning here in Minnesota. Got negative 13 degrees Fahrenheit. Feels like negative 35. I got a couple 1086 videos coming out that I just realized I never edited. And I did a cold start video on this last year. Number 2 fuel. I had it plugged in. I do not have it plugged in today. I haven't driven this for a week. I'm curious if it'll even start. It doesn't sound happy. Fuel pump's quite growly. Tell you what, it doesn't sound very happy. She didn't think it would even start, did ya?
Oh, spit it out, it's cold.
Can't show you guys much in here because I've been cleaning and stuff and have some new toys. Well, for the sake of video, I got to see what that filter looks like. And it's cold on the ground. So that fuel system on here, that's one of my first videos I did on this truck on my channel. And I still haven't changed the filters on it. That's been 10 years or so. This thing's starting to sound a little funny. It's starting to sound a little bucky. Well, I'm gonna let this thing run for a little while and do some stuff around the yard here. See how long it runs. Well, it's been running for about 10 minutes now. Smoothed out pretty good. Plan is to take this somewhere later today. So I'm gonna move it closer to the house so I can keep an eye on it. Plow is a little stiff, as it should be in these temperatures. Temp gauge is just starting to come up. Now, just because the thing started and idled and ran at these kind of temperatures on straight number 2 doesn't mean that you should just hop in and take off with it. You gotta let it warm up a little bit, or you're gonna be sitting on the side of the road gelled, because it might be able to idle here, but once you put it under a load, then it's gonna not care for it too much. It's gonna gel up because it has higher fuel flow requirements. So just gonna move it over to the house here, keep an eye on it a little better. Well, that's promising. See, don't try this with your average 7.3. I have a different fuel system on here. I have great big pickup lines in the tank. I have multiple pumps, different filter setup, and my fuel returns. There's a lot of fuel that returns. It goes from the tank to the pump to the heads back, and it dumps right next to where it picks it up, so it keeps making that loop. So once this thing starts getting a little heat in the engine, it starts putting that heat back in the tank and thawing itself out right away, where the stock 7.3 in this vintage doesn't do that. It returns basically cold fuel. I have gelled this thing up before in warmer temperatures than this on number 2 before I modified the fuel system. So, well guys, I'll get those videos out as soon as I get them edited, and hopefully 2022 is a good year. Thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate everyone, all the subscriptions and the likes and the shares and the comments. I appreciate it all. You guys are great. See you guys next time. Take care and God bless. Warmed up a little more even. You want to run them?